Lasertron, where adults go to play. If your team is looking for a little stress relief or a place to celebrate and have some fun, Lasertron is the place to go. Your entire team can play together in our giant 9,000 square foot multi-level Lasertron arena. Looking for even more fun? Play Cybersport, a fast-action game that's a combination of lacrosse and basketball played on highly maneuverable cyber cars. If you're looking for an organized team-building experience, Lasertron has an exclusive program that incorporates the key steps to building a winning team. We utilize the Lasertron game experience to demonstrate the various aspects of building a successful team. You will strategize with your teammates and learn how to develop a winning strategy and the tactics required to outmaneuver the competition. After an intense game of Lasertron, relax and unwind and have a beer at the bar. We offer a variety of domestic and imported beer, wine, premium liquor, and cocktails, plus over a dozen large-screen TVs to watch the big game. You can also satisfy your cravings with a great selection of handcrafted pizzas, chicken wings, and assorted appetizers. We can also provide you with one of our chef-inspired premium buffets along with a variety of amazing desserts. If you need meeting space, we've got you covered and can provide you with all your AV equipment needs. If your company is interested in learning more, please contact us or stop by for a brief tour showing you all that we have to offer. Thanks for considering Lasertron, where adults go to play.